Okay, hey guys, it's me, Tyleek, and what you're witnessing is a snowstorm in Illinois. Oh crap! I gotta get out of this ice or whatever this is. I must get off. I must see. There. Ah, crap! You can't even see crap. Well, anyway, through all this happening, this snowstorm just happened like I got out of school like 11 or something, cause the weather problems and everything is full of snow in seconds. I am not kidding. It's just snow everywhere. Ah, crap. Back off. Back off. No. Even though I like you, even I like snowboarding on you, just don't hurt me. Never hit me in the eye. I don't want no eye surgery. Huh. Look at all this. The whole place is full of snow already. But probably soon later, more snow will come in, and this whole place will be full of snow. Yeah. Then I probably can snowboard for once, or continue doing that. Well, I think this is all I got to offer today, and my YouTube name, Dogkicker2000, and I'll see you guys later.